Good morning, everybody. It is just after 7 a.m. on the East Coast. The U.S. equity futures are sharply higher this morning. Been watching the Dow, which is now indicated up by more than 760 points. Some good news on a potential therapeutic, remdesivir from Gilead. We'll tell you more about that in just a moment. But right now, we do have earnings out from Dow component Procter Gamble. The numbers are good. Earnings per share better than expected. $1.17 versus the $1.13 that the street was anticipating. Revenue was just under expectations. It came in at $17.2 billion versus the $17.46 billion the street was expecting. Right now, they say that they are not providing quarterly guidance, and that may be a reason that you see the stock down just slightly, down by about 25 cents. What's important, though, is kind of looking through the numbers on this. Organic sales up by 6%. And they say that's mostly because of volume. It was across just about every one of their categories, every category that I've seen at this point, and it looks like it's across every geographic area, too. For personal health care, they grew in the high teens in terms of their organic sales. For home care, they grew in the high teens. For family care, they grew in the double digits. For fabric care and feminine care, they grew in the high single digits. Oral care, they were also up in the high single digits, or grew mid-single digits. And then skin and personal care, health and baby care, that grew in the low single digits. Again, when you're talking about growth, this was broad-based, too, from a geographic perspective. Up 15% in the European enterprise markets, up 14% in Canada, up 11% in Latin America, up 10% in the United States, and up 6% in the European focus markets. Again, take a look at that stock. It's down by about 0.5% right now. But again, for the most part, this is very strong news that's coming out from the company. They are not going to be giving guidance for the existing quarters out from here. And you can understand when companies are kind of looking at these things. When you hear guidance from companies, I'm not always sure I believe it, because who knows what's going to happen from here. David Taylor is Procter Gamble's chairman, president, and CEO. He says the strong results for the quarter are a direct reflection of the integral role our products play and meeting the daily health, hygiene, and cleaning needs of consumers around the world. So I guess the big question is going to be how much of this was sales that were pulled forward as people were kind of stocking up heading into this, and what do they see happening from here? But again, that stock right now down by about 0.2%.